Hi, I'm Michael. This is Fulton Science, and I wanted to introduce you to my newest project to do with my grapevines. I'll talk about this in just a moment. All right, so I've been doing a layering experiment, so my grapevines are way over here, but some of these canes are like almost 20 feet long, and so I've ran some of the canes along the ground, underground, buried them, and then I had them coming up onto this new trellis that I just made. I got this stuff over at Tractor Supply for dirt cheap. It was like $60 for 100 feet of this. So I have it all the way across, way over there. More grapevines over there that you can't see. But these guys are all just barely poking up out of the ground because I had probably like 7 or 8 canes that were just growing super long. And so I just decided to run them along here under the ground and up. And I'm hoping that they'll root. And I think they might be because they're already putting out a bunch of new growth. And they pretty much were stagnant because I think they got to the end of how far the trunk could send nutrients that far. But once you bury them underground, they quickly start putting out roots and they're able to gather nutrients from a much closer location. And then they pick up growth like crazy. And so this is all, like that last foot is all new growth. They're all going nuts. So I'm pretty excited about this. If all these keep, I'll probably have way too many. So if anyone needs grapevines, let me know. Over there I have a bunch more. But pretty soon this entire wall is just gonna be all grapevines. So hopefully they don't interfere with the orange tree over there or grapefruit tree over here. There's another one I buried that was getting too long, so I'll probably have another one right here. Maybe I'll move some of these bushes out of the way. There's a lantana I'll probably take out because it's just getting too crowded over here. But anyway, these T-posts are super cheap too. Got them at Tractor Supply for like $3 each. They're 6 foot long. So I thought that was a super good deal. I went to Home Depot and they're trying to charge like $10 each for these things. So anyway, super excited. And then over here, the other cuttings I was telling you about. So these things are only 6 months old. I planted these. These are 1 foot cuttings that I cut off of that other grapevine, stuck them in the ground back in February, and they're already huge. I'm amazed with the growth. This is only 6 months worth of growth from a cutting. So not only did they root, but they put out this much growth in that small amount of time. And it looks like they're loving spreading out on this new trellis. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.